In today's video, I will teach you how to morph two faces together using AI. Let's get started. Face morphing is one of the coolest things that you can do with AI. It blends two different faces into a brand new one, almost like creating a digital hybrid person. This can be fun for creative projects, entertainment, or simply to see what two people might look like combined. With AI, you don't need advanced Photoshop skills. The process is quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. To start, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then sign in to your free account. Now, in the chat prompt box, click the plus icon, then select Create Image to enable AI image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again, then select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Then upload two clear photos of the face that you want to morph. For best results, make sure both photos have faces that are front-facing, not turned or angled, are well lit with no heavy shadows, and are close to the camera so the facial details are sharp. Now this is where you tell the AI exactly how to combine the two faces. The more specific you are, the better the morph will look. Here are some prompt examples. And to generate the image, hit enter and wait for the AI to process. And within seconds, you'll see a brand new face created from the two uploads. And you can also refine and adjust. To do this, click on the generated image to open the editing menu. Then use the text box to give follow-up instructions. Then keep refining until you're happy with the result. But take note that free users can only regenerate up to 5 images per day. So if you need unlimited morphs, consider upgrading your plan. Now hover over the final morphed image, then click download to save it to your computer, or click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some tips for better results. With just a few clicks, you can create unique blended portraits that look like entirely new people. Perfect for fun projects, creative inspiration, or just exploring what AI can do. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.